Hello everybody and namaste. Welcome back to my channel again. Hope everyone is keeping safe, keeping healthy and keeping motivated. As promised last week guys, on my video today I'm going to talk about the steps that you need to take to become registered nurse in UK. How does that sound? Does that sound promising? Okay. Before I dive into my topic, let me introduce myself to you, to those who are watching my video for the first time. My name is Ganga. I am registered nurse in United Kingdom with about 14 years of experience in variety of organization. In my channel guys, I talk about nursing, health, lifestyle, traveling videos, and if you are interested in those topics, please do subscribe my channel and support me. I'll be doing lots of videos about nursing, nursing related topics in the future. So yeah, there's lots of videos coming in. So please do hit that subscribe button and support and like my video as well. That will help with the algorithm. And I can't thank you enough for those who have already subscribed my channel, shared my videos, liked my videos and supporting me. You guys are awesome. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much and please do keep supporting me. Okay guys, without further delay, let's go to the topic of today in very few simple steps. I'm not going to go into very long process of what to do, but I'm going to emphasize on very few things that is so important to follow for you to become a registered nurse of United Kingdom. So before even deciding to apply, number one most important question that you have to ask yourself is, am I eligible to apply? Okay, so to follow that answer guys, you must be already registered nurse in your country, which you all know anyway, with at least 3 years of degree or diploma qualification. And in terms of experience, Nursing Midwifery Council of UK does not require any experience post-qualification. So however, some of the organization, when you apply the job in UK, may look for nurses who have got some experience as a nurse back home. Okay, so consider you have got everything. You have got required qualification, you have got all the certificates, and you are now deciding to come to UK and work as a nurse. And there you have to ask very important question. Why do you want to travel to UK and work there? Your why should be so strong and clear. Otherwise, along the way you may lost your interest, you may give up. The reason why I am telling you is because if your why is not clear and why is not strong, then it's very easy to give up when you fail. So that's the reason why you should stay so strong with your why thing, or so to say called purpose of going to abroad to work as a nurse, that kind of thing. I had mine when I was applying as a nurse in UK. Very strong why. Okay, let's go into the steps now. Few steps, but very, very important and hard steps. Number one is English language. Okay, that's so overrated topics and everybody's scared. Okay, so what are the options that you have now? You have IELTS and OET. So with IELTS, you need to get overall score of 7. And with OET, which is Occupational English Test, you need to get overall score of B. So many nurses have asked me whether to do IELTS or OET. See, with IELTS, questions and topics can be anything, and it is designed for all kind of professionals. Okay, So with OET, it is designed for healthcare professionals like nurses, doctors, occupational health, nutritionists, dietitians. However, IELTS is most preferable by many professionals or even the healthcare professionals because it is considered as gold standard, as it can be used in various countries or various reasons or various purpose. Like if you ask me which one is easier, then OET may be a little bit easier for nurses in some ways because it is more specific to healthcare. So you can make use of your healthcare knowledge, vocabulary and experience, that kind of thing. But bear in mind that OET is slightly expensive than IELTS, and if you take OET exams, then what you need to do is that you also have to do IELTS UKVI general for visa and immigration purpose. But obviously if you do academic version of UKVI, IELTS UKVI, then that will work, and it's like hitting two birds with one stone, if that make any sense. Okay, so you have now done your IELTS or OET, you have got that score. That wasn't too hard as you thought, was it? Anyway, well done to you. You have passed that hardest gate of the whole process. Well done to you. Again, you are seeing the sunshine in the rain. It's a time to dance. I carried away, sorry. Okay, now you have got two options to start the process with Nursing Midwifery Council. You can do it by yourself because all the process is self-explanatory, or you find the good agency to help you. Okay, so if you decided to do yourself, then you can go to NMC website and create your account and start the process, and there's a step-by-step guide that you can follow. Or if you decided to go through agency, then they can guide you through the process and they may help you finding the sponsor for you and set up interview and things like that. In my opinion, once you have got IELTS or OET, you may get help from good agency in UK, because they will help you with all the process, and then they will also help you to find the sponsors or organization, and it's cost free. So apparently they won't charge you any fee for guiding you, for supporting you, for helping you the process, because they are also hired by the organization to hire nurses from countries like Philippines, from India, Nepal. I mean, is it not that good deal for you? I would be so grateful if I had that options 15 years ago when I applied. I wasted, like, I won't say wasted, but I spent 4,000 to 5,000 pound. I didn't have that money. I had to do so many things to get that money paid before I came to UK. That deal is so good for you. You just have to do is hard work. Okay guys, let's start the registering process now. According to my little note here, my little research, my little hard work that I've done for you, I'm going to put in the screen there for you to read it properly. So I will explain you if there are important points that needed to be explained. Okay, that's all for today, guys. How did you find about this video? Was it helpful or not? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have got any question for me, you can also put down in comment section so that I can be more helpful in future. So at the end, I would like to thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel and support me. I would like to say bye for today. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.